In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a Nebraska spread to your favorite DCP cattle pot, as you see here with the raisable axle. What you're going to need is some Instaset, a small Phillips head screwdriver, your Nebraska spread assembly, your favorite glue, and you're going to need a DCP triaxle or spread axle trailer. When you get your Nebraska spread, you'll notice there's a piece of wire on there, and this one's already painted, but I leave that wire on there just so you can paint it, you can add it to your helping hands. You'll need to clip that away with your flat-sided side cutters, and then if you want, you can sand those little bits smooth if they turned out a little bit rough. You'll also need an X-Acto knife right here where the spread axle goes, where your third axle that lifts. There could be some leftover residue from 3D printing. You cut that away, it's easily removable. You clean that out so when you add your axle, you can lift it and move it forward or backward depending on how you want to position it when you're unloaded. Here you can see the axle moves easily once you clear out any leftover residue resin. Here you can see with the axle in it how it moves up and down and forward depending on how you want to position it for your layout. To remove your spread axle, in this case, there's two screws, one at the back and one at the front. Once you've removed the assembly, test fit your Nebraska spread. If you're not satisfied with the fit, you can take your Nebraska spread and on a piece of sandpaper you can sand down the front or the back. Test fit your assembly again, add glue to the top rails, get it centered on your trailer. Once it's centered, I like to use a little Instaset so it's secured and it won't move. When the glue is cured, add your axles. And there, your Nebraska spread is on your DCP trailer, and you're all done. Thanks for watching, and don't forget you can buy your tools and accessories at rockinghfarmtools.com. Go get them and make something awesome.